It is creamy. It is, I mean, honestly, well, I would say it's mango-y, but of course it's mango-y. It's a mango mousse bomb. Look at that. Look at that. That looks absolutely, oh, there it goes.
This mango.
That looks like delicious mango. As it falls off my fork. But look, that looks so good. Yeah.
Little wrapper outside. Oh, trying to get off. Hopefully not knock the cake over in the process. God damn it.
Can I try that again?
Yes.
And having a lot of fun doing it, and just enjoying bringing you along with us. As the dude drives on by real loudly.
Yeah.
And 3, 2, 1. I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
And we're at Mama Roomba's.
Yeah.
Roombos?
Roomba.
Roombas.
Roomba.
Roomba.
And it's just Mama Roomba.
Mama Roomba.
Not Mama Roombas.
Mama Roomba.
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 We're Mama Roomba.
Mama Roomba.
Okay.
Mama Roomba.
Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1. So, Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where would they go?
If you want to find all the links to our social medias, you can find them at withcoach.com/@travelbynature. They can find links for.
We'll pause here.
It is freshly made. I say it's completely
well
worth
done. I think it's well worth the price to keep yourself on that New Year's resolution track. Yeah. So Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where they go?
If you want to find all the links to our social medias, you can find them at withcoach.com/@travel.
Social media?
Sorry. We'll start from Logan if you want to check us out.
All right. What? Social media.
Sure.
I went to pick up this big piece here, and I was like, I don't know if I can even get that in my mouth.
No.
Look how big this thing is.
It's like a jumbo roll.
Yeah, and it just fell on the.
Fell on the table.
It fell on the table.
Poor Western roll.
Which is why you use your fingers sometimes.
What's this? You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. I bring good news. Your clamshells will begin moving immediately. Stay in your seats now.
Okay, all I want to say is this is called horsemen. And they look like they've come for battle.
What do we do? War! What do we do? War! Who's the best fighter on the field? Fire! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Come out and join us. You're welcome
The horsemen are followed by the horses. So, when we have a little lull here in the parade, this young lady likes to come out in the middle of the street and give us her dance routine.
It's the Christmas spirit.
Yeah, it is. It's the Christmas spirit. Here comes the little one.
It's like every time people come by with the candy, and I'm like,
Here we got the people from 1-800-GOT-JUNK, the world's largest junk removal service. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Do you take people?
No, we do. Gotta wrap them in a rug first. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This is really cool. Like I said, if you're looking for, oh, Indiana Jones, they got Indiana Jones figures in his hat.
Really?
Yeah, look at that. Indiana Jones action figure.
That doesn't look like Harrison Ford at all.
Who does it
Who's
look?
this guy?
Who does it look like?
He looks like Norris.
Chuck Norris?
Yeah, he looks like Chuck Norris.
Okay. I like this shirt, but the fact that they made Stitch's mouth the zipper.
My goodness. Wow. I feel rocket. That's funny.
That's. What'd you two find?
Oh, these little speakers.
They're little mini-
Wow. And it's pretty loud too.
It's so loud I can almost hear it saying copyright strike. Well, they're official Disney.
Wait, what was that?
Do not place in
Oh,
microwave.
the Mr. Toad thing, it had a sticker on it that says, do not place in microwave.
I wasn't planning to, but okay. Dad,
Yeah.
happy birthday, Debbie. Happy birthday, Karen.
It's just the most random thing I found.
Well, if Debbie's here, we can get her birthday button.
My goodness.
Smash him with the British teeth.